I'm going to give you another mystery picture for today. And again, if you're at home because you're absent or because you're remote, you will just have the second page to do. You're welcome to print the coloring page and do it, but the grade will be coming from the second page, not the first. So today, or this activity's homophones are going to be there, and there. And your mystery picture part is the page that will show up first on the activity. The second one, or the second page, actually gives you where you're going to figure out what you're going to color, what color. It doesn't sound like it makes sense, but it really does. Are there, and there. The first one has the apostrophe. That tells me that it's going to be a contraction. And our contraction then is they are. So if I can replace any of the theirs with the words they are, then this is the there I'm going to use. If I'm trying to show that someone owns something, that is their house, they left their books on the bus, then that's going to be the THEIR there. It's a possessive pronoun, a possessive adjective. It shows ownership. If I'm talking about a direction, like, oh, I left my car over there, you're supposed to turn your papers in over there, or even to say there is one book left, that's going to be the THERE. Okay. Now these things are written at the top of the page. So if you're here at school, you have this paper in front of you. And if you're at home, it's right here. Actually, I should say it's right there. THERE, there. So we're going to do this the same way. We're going to answer the first one. Colton and Grace are not here, but they're going to meet us at the beach. Okay. Well, the first one I'm going to test is this one in the contraction for they are. Colton and Grace are not here, but they are going to meet us at the beach. That does make sense. This one shows ownership. Colton and Grace are not here, but they're what? They don't own anything in this sentence, so I know it's not that one. This one shows a direction. Colton and Grace are not here, but they're going to meet us at the beach. Doesn't work, does it? We still don't know their location. This doesn't tell us their location, but they are did work. So in this blank, I'm going to type THEY apostrophe. The apostrophe is right next to the enter key, RE. Now, I see that if I use there, it's going to be blue. So I can go back to my picture and find all the numbers ones, and I'm going to color those blue. So blue, blue. I'm sure I'm missing them. You have to take your time on this or you're not going to be catching. So there's another one. So make sure you go through and find all the ones and make sure they're blue. Then come back and answer the next question. Since Chloe hasn't been to the beach before, she can't wait to get there. Okay, let's try the contraction they are. Since Chloe hasn't been to the beach before, she can't wait to get they are. It doesn't work. All right, let's see if she owns something. Since Chloe hasn't been to the beach before, she can't wait to get there. To get there what? What do they own? Nothing. So this there is a direction or a location. Since Chloe hasn't been to the beach before, she can't wait to get to that location. So there makes sense. There. And here it says light green. You probably don't have a light green. You probably have one green. And when you're going to color for this there, you're going to color very lightly. When you're going to color for this there, you're probably going to use the same crayon or the same color pencil and color not lightly. You're going to color it dark. So now I'm going to go through and find all the number 2s, and I'm going to color those light green. And you're going to have to slow down and take your time. There's one right there. Okay, same as you did the last one. I'm not going to waste any more of your time. I've shown you how to do this. I've talked about the differences between 3 words. If you have any questions, you let me know.